In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional 1xBet account. This is very easy. You can subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to create a professional 1xBet account, this is exactly what you should do. On your 1xBet account here, you're going to click on registration. Once you click on the registration, there are four options, but you're going to choose the third option, which says by email. And once you choose this option, you're going to put in your surname, your name, and you're going to choose your country depending on where you are from. So once you've chosen your country, you're going to choose your region, your city, put in your date of birth, and then your currency. You're going to change your currency to your local currency, and then you're going to use your phone number that you're using. So you're writing your phone number here, and then your email address, a valid email address. And you're going to create a password, and here are the password details. The password must be 8 characters, must contain at least 3 types of characters, and all the other details. Now, a very important part, once you come over to this point here, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. So if you use the promo code LEOTV, one of is going to give you up to 200% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit the $1,000, you're going to receive $2,000 as first deposit, and you can use it to bet. Now, once you fill in all your details correctly, you can just go ahead and click on these three boxes here and click on register. Once all the details are verified, your 1xBet account is going to be registered immediately. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.